Ocean Summit, man. Talk to us about the vision that you have, man. It's redefining performance industries beyond the horizon, man. Talk to us about it.
So that was born out of what I just explained. So it was
Yep.
born out of the fact that there's people like yourself and literally all the other speakers made it in a way, either I'll say 50% of them are directly in mental performance, 20% are in like physical strength conditioning type fields, and two or three of them actually aren't in any of those fields, but they have good business acumen and knowledge that can be contributed. So the whole premise was, how could I give presentations or speakers that give those gaps that organization like ASP isn't going to teach? And it's not saying it's better or worse. It's just saying, okay, do that for the foundational stuff and come to Blue Ocean for the more, okay, how can I now use this to enhance the skills I've learned? That's really what it's about. Really, like, well, it's just an addition, like anything. It's a skill set. Like for you, I know you can give so much insight for people who may like doing the one-on-one stuff, but never thought, well, I have a story to tell. I've met so many people who have a life story that is really like, why don't you share this? And that could be a whole like preface to their talk. And then they can add in the mental skills beneath it.